Very quickly, hi. We've been to Casada today. We've been to the chop shop. Helen's fancying this week. Hi Bob.
Hi Bob.
This is how you use your initiative. Look at what this guy's selling. Tomorrow's the final, England versus Spain, and he's going round and he's got flags he's flogging. Good lad. Oh my God. Some kind of
pork belly.
Pork belly.
Last week I fancied carriados and something rich, which is what we had. And this week I fancied pork belly with chopped potatoes.
The best option for us was to go to the chop shop in Casada. We've been there before, and they actually cut it to the thickness that Helen wanted, which is this. I think all she can do is put salt and pepper and a bit of oil on them.
Yeah, one of them's a little bit shorter, but it's a little bit fatter, so I'm just going to salt and pepper them.
No pepper in there.
I've just drizzled a little bit of oil. It's the oil that we've got with garlic, cloves of garlic and...
The homemade one?
The homemade one, yeah. So I've just drizzled a bit of that on it.
Cool.
And I'm going to really slow roast them.
Some of you guys will know this, I'll mention it now, but he's okay. Bob was unfortunately hugger-mugger at the gate the other day. And
yeah, he got mugged.
Yeah, the woman managed to get his Rolex, literally rip the Rolex off his wrist that was his retirement present. But he's okay, he's fine, apart from pissed off.
Yeah. Yeah, he'd come into the garden and she came up and pretended she was lost, asking for directions, and the next minute she grabbed his watch and he realised what was happening. She'd got it undone, so he pulled his arm towards himself, but she got her hand under and leaned her full weight on it and actually broke the strap, and there was a car waiting for her around corner, so I think somebody had actually been watching. And our ring doorbell for some reason was not working during that period of time.
Now, it's not an isolated instance. We've seen them in other parts of Torrevieja, so it looks like there's a group of them going around. It won't be long before they get caught. Usually things like this happen, the coppers are hot on the case and, you know, they'll get locked up.
Yeah,
so
it's just one of them things. These
just
things
be aware.
happen from time to time. Most important thing is, he's okay.
Yes. But I thought I'd best mention it because some of you might have seen it or something.
Yeah.
Ask him about it, he might swear.
Yeah, jewellery and things can be replaced, although not a Rolex. He's not getting another one of them.
Yes.
Not unless we win lottery.
When you're cooking belly pork, when it's at this stage, it doesn't look good. It looks flobby.
That's because it is, but we just need to put a bit of paste it a little bit. Well, I think some of this is water that's come out of it, not necessarily.
Yeah, so we'll show you some more in a little bit when it's progressed. Here's some things that's come from Bob's allotment, quite a few of them. No surprises, he's on a mission with these every year by the looks of it. Red jalapeno chilies. Now the little plant that keeps getting battered has come back again, and it's got some on, and those chilies on that are evil. There we go. So these are potatoes that's been sliced on the mandolin part of a cheese grater.
Yeah.
I can't say that.
You can.
I've said it.
It's not crap though, is it?
So
really?
in there, potatoes.
Potatoes, cream, a little bit of butter, salt and pepper, and an onion. So they're ready for the oven. And I'm going to move these onto the bottom shelf just to...
Right, I've got Laura saying get that third bottle open and get in that pool. Helen's take on dauphinoise potatoes, which look good, smell good, but let's be honest, this is what you're looking for, isn't it? Yeah. Which is... Now, the colour might put some of you off, but that looks, I can see, crispy. Alright, it looks, it's been... I can see the colours like that because of soy.
I think the colour looks great actually, look at it.
Yeah. Catch you later. Fast forward, this is future Helen and Andy. Right, because we were a bit behind, but that's nothing new. Before we finish this one, some of you guys will know that we've worked with Stevie Spit in the past. We helped raise with his help, actually, we did a charity auction which raised over €4,000 for Millie. She had a spinal operation.
She did, yeah. Yeah.
That's going back many, many years.
And Stevie gave his time up for nothing, and we did a charity auction, and he compared for us, and a lot of people came because Stevie were being the compare there, and he did a great job.
Now, Stevie's also done a shed load of charity work in the past. He used to be at Benidorm Palace. He's got his own shows. He's in part of the Jersey Boys and things like that.
For you that don't know, he's a drag artist as well.
Yes. He's actually got a BEM, and he went, and that was given to him by the Queen, actually, over in England.
Yeah, for his charitable work that he's done.
Yes, but now it's time to help him.
Stevie is actually suffering from stage 4 cancer.
Yeah, which is not good. Means he's not able to work, which means over here, if you're self-employed, which I think that's the situation, you don't get paid. So he's kind of stuck in it up. He hasn't asked for this.
He won't get sick pay or anything like that, so he does need help.
He's not asked for help, but the people that know have started to do things. We're going to do a charity auction in the future. Keep an eye on the videos, we'll let you know.
It won't be that far in the future, actually.
Yes.
It'll be fairly soon.
But we'll let you know when and where. But check the description and we'll put on the screen, there is a GoFundMe for Stevie. If you want to donate, you donate direct, job done.
What we are asking for, though, is if any of you people that are watching have got local businesses and you could actually donate an auction lot for us to put into our charity auction and raise a little bit of money to help Stevie, then we would really appreciate that.
Yeah, and you can get in touch with us, leave us a comment, and we'll tell you how to send us an email, etc., or WhatsApp or whatever. Thanks for your help, thanks for watching. I don't even want to say like, subscribe, ring that bell, but he needs your help.
Yeah.
I'm on the poll tonight, and I want to know if there is any single men here tonight.
Yeah.
Get used to it.